Pasta cooked in a rich, creamy and cheesy sauce along with mushrooms. If you love cheese and pasta, then this recipe is the right choice for you. Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. This is my version of pasta in Alfredo sauce. So let's get started. Now this is a very quick and easy recipe, so before you start doing anything else, bring a pot of water up to a boil. Add a generous amount of salt to it and then add the pasta. Usually this recipe calls for fettuccine, but I am using macaroni. You can use any type of pasta according to your preference. Cook the pasta following the timing directions given on the package of your pasta. Next, heat a pan on medium-high heat. Add butter. As soon as the butter melts, add the mushrooms. I chop the mushrooms into fairly large pieces. Stir them on medium-high heat. Then add salt, freshly ground black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. You can even use fresh garlic, but I like using in powdered form for this particular recipe. Then I added finely diced red bell pepper. You can even use green capsicum or any other vegetable that you like, or you do not have to add any vegetables. I think the vegetables add a nice color to the dish, and it gives a little bit of satisfaction to my mind as well, to cover up the guilty conscience of indulging in a high-calorie diet. Stir till everything gets well fried, then take them out in a bowl. Now I won't be cleaning out the pan as there is all that buttery deliciousness and mushroom flavor sticking to the pan. I don't mind if my sauce gets little brown. Then comes the star of the show, the heavy cream. I know what you're thinking now, but this is a high-calorie recipe, guys. So if you're on a weight loss program, then unfortunately this recipe is not the right choice for you. But I have several other healthy recipes on my channel, so please check out those. Use any cooking cream that is readily available at your place. Now let the cream get cooked on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes so that it gets reduced and thickened up. In the meantime, my macaroni is done. Drain the pasta, but remember to not wash the pasta after draining. You want that starch on the pasta so that the sauce can stick onto it. So when you are making any kind of pasta recipes like this, please do not wash it like we do for a noodles recipe. After 5 minutes, the cream has started to thicken up. Now reduce the heat to the lowest possible mark and add the cheese. I have used cheddar as that is what I had in my fridge today. You can even use parmesan or any good melting cheese, but I do not like mozzarella for this particular recipe. Then add the vegetables and finally the pasta. Give a quick stir as you do not want to keep this on heat for much longer as the cheese tends to get rubbery. So switch off your stove as soon as everything gets well mixed. Do a taste test at this point and adjust the seasonings. Remember, cheese already has a lot of salt in it, so I didn't need to add any extra. I just added some freshly ground black pepper. You can even add white pepper if you like it. Finally, you can garnish it with chopped parsley. So easy, so quick to make, yet so delicious. And kids will love this. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below in the comment section. Please check out other pasta recipes on my channel. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.